I'll be doing more of this once I run out of time on the short, but I want to keep it a short so that it gets out there and people see it more. The shorts, they get a lot more views than the regular videos do. But boy, this is so soft. You can't feel it through the camera, but it is one soft, nice, stiff fur. Can only give thanks to the beavers that made this fur, I tell you what. They should be proud of themselves. I've been thinking about saving up all the stuff that I pounce off here, all these little fur pieces. I bet that you can combine and make a felt out of it, have like all the different colors, maybe be a tie-dyed beaver tie-dyed felt. When you're pouncing and doing all this stuff, you got time to think about stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this up. Happy 4th of July to my subscribers. I thank you. To those that aren't subscribers, like and hit the subscribe button. Happy 4th.